now sanded both parts of the tail fin, and I figured I'll probably glue one at a time. So you've got to glue this piece on first because it sits underneath the top one, but it's very important to know where to locate it. So first of all, I'm taking a bit of a look here at both parts together and placing it on the aeroplane and holding that in position and gently taking off the back piece. I can then see where it sits. So I'm just going to mark the back of that with a pencil so that I can, when I take it off, I know that that's where to put it back on. So that way I only have to worry about one fin at a time. I'd hate to have to worry about two fins, the location and placement of both at once, because if one gets knocked or moves a little bit, it wouldn't look very symmetrical.